All right, so let's go ahead and put in the natural gas. That also will come out the back of the building. So we're gonna start another line. And again, this will just be natural gas line. And we're gonna put that on the proper layer for our natural gas. And we'll click OK. And our coordinate's going to be at this building, so I'm going to right click and we'll go nearest to line, and I'll pick the back of this building here. Again, we're going to drop this down minus, let's go minus 5 feet on this one. And we'll come out from that building, so I'm going to come out in here, make sure we're keeping our distance from our power line. And oops, again, I gotta make sure I start a new line segment. So I'll come out. Now again, I could come out perpendicular, I can do my offsets. I'm just gonna save this, and we're gonna come over into here. We'll come back and put our returns in later. So again, we'll just run this parallel to that. Let it save, and we'll just come down. We'll just come down in here and drop that in there, and we'll hit save. Now what we'll do is we'll just come up and yeah, we'll just leave that the way it is. Sounds good. So now I'll go to vertical, and we're going to set the vertical points as well. So we'll come back and adjust, but I'm going to do the same thing I did on the power line, where I'm just going to go to my data prep elevation, and we're going to come in and we're going to drop this from the surface. We want -5, again from the finished design. Apply, and we'll close that, and then we'll just edit this one as well. So I'm going to come in and we're going to edit. Before we edit, let's do a profile so we can get a nice view of what we're looking at. Again, we're just mostly interested in getting rid of these spots over here. So I'm going to right click, edit, and go to vertical. And we will get rid of this one. Let's get rid of those. You'll see we're going to follow that. That's fine. And we're going to cross the road, where we'll delete these other points here. So I'm just going to come down here, pick that one, delete, delete. Just clicking delete to get rid of these high spots here through the road. And ties back in on the end there. Okay. So now we got our natural gas. And again, like I said, we're going to do some checking in a minute. We're going to check to make sure we got all our clearances. So we're going to put all the pipes in so we can adjust this accordingly. So next we'll do the water.